I know that thought is energy. This is scientifically demonstrated, and I realize that a constructive thought has much more energy than a destructive thought. I know because it has been conclusively proven that constructive thinking will blast away every negative thought current sent out by one person or by 1,000. Therefore, if there should be any inharmonious thoughts anywhere in the world, any discordant thought current by those who seek my downfall or block my progress, or by those who would endeavor to hurt my reputation, I know that by holding a harmonious attitude of peace, love, joy, and success for everyone, including those who would do me wrong, that such constructive thought currents will blast away all of the discordant and inharmonious mental currents of evil, so that they will not even reach my conscious mind. I also realize when I hold my silent thought, my subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace and harmony and justice reign, that I am sending out the energy of construction which is bound to turn all of the efforts for my embarrassment and destruction into a higher current for my greater achievement. Therefore, I send out blessings and thanksgiving to the very ones who would work my downfall. I charge my subconscious mind to let peace, harmony, and justice reign so that all things will work together for the good for me and for those who are thinking evil. If I should think it hard to send out blessings to my enemies, I remember the affirmation of the greatest teacher of all ages who said, "Forgive until 70 times 7. I remember that when he himself was reviled not in turn. I remember that when his merciless enemies had nailed him to the cross, had apparently crushed his fondest ambition, had scorned and reviled the kingdom of which he had spoken, and had tortured him as he hung on the cross, he uttered the immortal, lovable, constructive words which have rung throughout the centuries and will continue to bless all mankind throughout eternity. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do." So those who would try to block my way, curb my progress, or put thorns in my crown are doing so, not knowing what they are doing. Whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap. Instead of hurting me, they are sowing weed seeds, which shall bring forth a harvest of weeds and tares in their own lives and not in mine. I, therefore, do not wish them harm, nor think that they should feel the reaction. I do not have to concern myself about the negative people in the world, for the law takes care of them. I shall always think constructive thoughts, harmonious thoughts, and loving thoughts. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace, harmony, and justice reign, and I know that all things are now working together for the good of my would-be enemies and for myself. I relax. Take time for meditation. And I become happy in the silence. Holding my thought of peace, harmony, and justice reigning in the hearts of men everywhere, and as I relax and wait, I feel my vibrations rise. I am resting at ease, in faith. I am perfectly calm and contented. I am sending out love, peace, and harmonious thoughts, and as they go, love, peace, and harmony will come to me. These are now returning. They enter my being and uplift my soul. I am therefore sending out a strong current of spiritual blessings, with such a spirit of helpfulness, that I am getting back the same which I send out. My harvest shall be peace, love, joy, harmony, justice, and contentment, because I am sowing the seed of love, peace, harmony, joy, contentment, and justice into the great subconscious soil of the universe. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace, harmony, and justice reign everywhere throughout the world. I wait, I rest, I am relaxed, I am at ease and filled with the spirit of harmony. I wait, I listen for the spirit within. I feel and hear the voice of infinite love sending back into my consciousness these thoughts which I send out. I know that my every constructive thought blasts away 1,000 destructive ones. Therefore, I think peace, love, joy, harmony, and justice. And as I utter these words slowly and prayerfully, I feel my vibration rising. I experience ease of mind and peace of soul. Harmony is now within and without. I realize that I cannot send out my affirmation of peace, love, joy, and harmony without peace, love, joy, and harmony coming back to me. I therefore send out my affirmation. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace, harmony, and justice reign in the hearts of men wherever they may be. I wait and listen, perfectly relaxed and at ease, and I feel the vibrations which I sent out coming back to me. I therefore know that no harm can befall my dwelling place. I know that whatever evil thoughts have been sent out for my destruction have been counterblasted, and that now everything is working for my good. As I recognize and realize that all things work together for my good, I am sending out love thoughts that all things are working together for the good of those who would do me wrong. They know not what they do. They alone will have to reap the harvest of the weeds they are sowing. My wish for them is that they may learn their lesson easily and early. My blessings I send out to them. Again I wait. Again I listen. Again I am at ease, happy and at rest. Love and blessings, peace and harmony I send out. Love and blessings, peace and harmony come back. My subconscious mind, I desire and command you to have peace, harmony, and justice reign. My blessings upon all mankind. My love to everyone.